What's up everybody, Tim Vix here and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to unbox the Motofusion fork sliders and I'm also going to show you how to mount it on your bike. But before we get started, a big thank you to Motofusion for sponsoring today's video. Motofusion manufactures utilitarian and aesthetic accessories for a wide range of motorcycles. I personally use their frame sliders for my KTM Duke 250 and it is brilliant. Two things that I absolutely love about Motofusion is their product quality and excellent customer service. So make sure to check out their website to learn more about the products. Link is in the description. Alright, let's dig right into this box now. As usual, Motofusion dispatched the product promptly and I received the courier very early and it's very well packed. Let's open the box. To be honest, I requested them to send me a couple of stickers because I like collecting them and I like collecting the stickers and I shall put this on my helmet. It's really cool. Thank you so much for sending these stickers, Motofusion. Really like them. Alright, let's open the package now. It's one more sticker. Very nice, beautiful. Let's keep this here and given the bolts along with the washer. It's the bolt along with the washer. Keep it here, and then we have the fork sliders. These are the fork sliders. Okay, so now if you look closely, the hole given in this one is smaller compared to this one. Let me put it side by side so that you can see it properly. See? The hole on this one is smaller compared to this fork slider. This is because if you have noticed the forks of your bike, on one end, both the ends are actually different. They are not uniform. One end has an exposed bolt, I guess, and the other end has a vacant slot. So both the ends are totally different. They are not symmetrical, and that's the reason why these fork sliders are different as well. So yeah, we have to be careful while mounting it, and I shall show you how to do it.
Two hours later.